Hello, welcome to the Scale Model Club, and on this week's show we're back to normal. That's right, Airfix's 176 scale Cromwell. Two versions on the side of the box there, two versions on the front of the box. You can have the snorkel or the spines at the front. I think that's for getting rid of hedgerows. So same picture on the two sides of the box, standard Airfix boxing, warning signs, and of course you've got your Airfix miles on this side. Right, let's open this up and see what it's like. Not 100%. I have done one before, but this is the new tooling version. It's not the starter kit, so it's just the full kit. So let's start off with the instructions. I have already opened this kit, but I had a camera malfunction, so you don't get to watch me open a plastic bag. Gutted, I know. Right, that's a bit close, that, isn't it? There we go. So here are standard Airfix instructions. A little bit of information about the Cromwell on the front, and a few diagrams about what the little icons mean. So we start with the hull, three-piece hull with the suspension on it, and this is a new thing from Airfix. I think I've never done it before, but the tracks are now plastic rather than rubber, and you seem to fit the wheels to the tracks and then fit the whole thing on together. We'll see how we go with painting that one. And then obviously all the rest of the bumps on the bottom half of the chassis to go. And last but not least, we have the turret that we stick all the armament to. Standard Airfix instructions with nice and clear, easy to follow instructions. Love an Airfix instruction. I do apologise if this is all upside down. I got a bit confused with the camera. No, we're all right. So, two versions, all the same colours, just got different decals, and obviously this one's got the little snorkel on the back so that it can go underwater or be dropped off on beaches. So we've got a nice set of decals, nicely printed. And I do like the colour instructions on the paint. It's nice to have a bit of colour. Airfix sort of always go for the black and white instructions. So there, here we have the nicely moulded, lots of panel lines, lots of detail with the new tracks. See how they go. Looks like it's going to turn out to be quite a nice model. Lots of detail on the sides. And the turret, obviously, because the turret's a bit dull, apart from the fact you've got to put the armour on the inside, but sorry, on the outside of it. But no, generally, it looks like a very nicely moulded model. Quite look forward to building it. So, that's the model, the instructions and the Airfix stuff. We'll pop this away. Great. Make sure everybody likes and subscribes. Thanks everybody for watching all my videos. It's been a bit of an upheaval recently, but we'll get back to normal. So from eBay, as you can guess, I've bought a few extras that I thought I'd like to show you from Redog. These are quite good. These are resin parts. I've had a couple before for my tanks. I quite like them. And what I've bought is a Cromwell accessory kit, which is these two bags. So what you have to do is you have to cut them off and sand them. But I'm not sure if you can see the quality there, but really nicely moulded. You have to super glue these on being resin. That's a ammo case and some tarpaulin. You paint those up, they'll look nice stuck on the side of the Cromwell. And this is obviously a spare wheel that's nicely moulded, all made to go with the Airfix kit of 1/76 scale, and only a couple of quid. So have a look for him on eBay, Redog. Good quality stuff, reasonably, and sent to you. So that's the Cromwell accessory kit. Next up, I got myself some ammo boxes, which is also part of English ammo boxes. Like I say, he does all kinds of stuff, but this stuff I bought specifically to go with the Cromwell tank itself. And as you can see, again, nicely moulded ammo boxes. You cut them off the back, paint them, stick them on your model or on the ground for a diorama, and again, a couple of quid. Cheap and easy, lovely, makes quite a lot of difference. Well, I'll look forward to painting those. These have got nothing to do with the Cromwell, but I thought I'd show them to you anyway. I bought myself a couple of bases. These were under £10. This one's aircraft, so you've got a little bit of tarmac and some grass to paint up to put your 172 aircraft on. Usually I'll use that for a World War II aircraft scenes. Again, resin, but you're only ever going to stand stuff on them anyway. So, and the slightly bigger one I've got, this is still 172, but this is an air tarmac for jets. I've got a nice jet to do to put on here, so I look forward to painting these up and showing you them as well. So thanks everybody for watching. It's a bit of a quick video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and come back next time when I'll put the Cromwell and all the extras together. Thanks very much for watching.